Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Gardening is a magical. Growing a tiny seed into a bountiful harvest is deeply rewarding. Food plant gardening lets us reconnect with nature, practice sustainability and enjoy the freshest flavor from our backyard. This video will explore the joys and benefits of growing food plants, empowering you to enjoy a delicious and fulfilling self-sufficiency journey. Fresh organic produce is a major benefit of food plant gardening. Growing your own fruits, vegetables and herbs lets us you to control the growing process and avoid pesticides and chemicals. This lets you taste truly ripe, nutrients dense produce, elevating your culinary experience. Food plant gardening also reduces our environmental impact. Grown food reduces transportation emissions and plastic packaging. Composting kitchen scraps and using organic fertilizers nurture soil, creating a healthy garden ecosystem. Sustainable practices benefit the environment and foster stewardship and connection with nature. Food crops gardening can teach and connect families and communities. Growing food teaches kids responsibility and where food comes from. It teaches biology, nutrition, and sustainability through hands-on learning. As neighbors share seeds, tips, and even harvests, gardening can build community and appreciation for food. Food plant gardening is a limitless. Assesses your garden or balcony space and sunlight. Basil, mint, and parsley grow well in pots or hanging baskets. These flavorful and aromatic herbs can grow in small spaces and provide a constant supply. Tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers grow well in raised beds or containers. These versatile and rewarding crops produce delicious fruits and vegetables throughout the season and are easy to grow. Growing lettuce, Spanish, and kale are fun. These leafy vegetables can be grown in containers or on the ground to provide fresh, nutrient-rich greens for meals. Plant strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries for variety and nutrition. These delicious fruit also brighten your garden. In conclusion, food plant gardening is a rewarding activity that helps us reconnect with nature, promote sustainability, and enjoy the fresh home grown produce. These are food plants every space from large backyard to small balconies. Roll up your sleeves, dig into a soil, and start a journey of sustenance, connection, and deeper appreciation for food. Food plant gardening create a deeper connection to nature and more sustainable world while producing delicious food. Thank you for watching our video.